So to get Wealthsimple, you just go to the App Store and you type that name in. I've already downloaded it. It's the one with 73K reviews and over 1 million downloads. So once you downloaded it, you're ready to start. Just navigate to it. Here it is, Wealthsimple. And this is what opens up. It's your account total value, or the total value of all your accounts. Right now I have 2 accounts. My tax-free savings in my non-registered account. In your non-registered account, you can do stuff like trade on a daily basis. And near the bottom is a watch list. I'll show you how you can add things to your watch list later. And of these 2 accounts, I'm going to go to the first one. And we have another graph. You can go zoom in on the day or zoom out to like 3 months of to when you had the account. You can see what you have in the account in cash at the top. There's a button for adding more funds. Oh yeah, you have to connect your bank account to add funds and withdraw funds as well. But I think you can use Visa to actually add funds, but it costs money, so I would advise against that. And at the bottom, you see your portfolio with all your stocks. So you can toggle between today's price or the total price of the stocks. In other words, the number of stocks you have multiplied by the share price or the price of the stock currently. And yeah, there's also a search button. So right now near the bottom you see that line graph that takes us back to the front page. And the next button is the search button. It's the one glass thing, I forget what you call it. But you click there and you can look up stocks. You can use the full stock name, or you can use the ticker symbol. Here I looked up Tesla. It's on the far right side you see something called NASDAQ. That's what it's traded on. Other times you might see TSX, which would be the Toronto Stock Exchange. Sometimes you see the New York Stock Exchange. You also see the word options next to the ticker tape Tesla. That means you can buy options on this. So I'm going to click buy. And you see I can choose either stocks or options. I can choose options or stocks, but I'm going to choose stocks just to show you. So it's going to ask you what account you want to buy this from. I'm going to say non-registered account. Go next, and then at the top we have different buying options. We can do a fractional buy, limit buy, a bunch of different choices here. Market buy just means you buy it now. Limit buys means you buy at when it hits a specific price, or when it usually decreases to a specific price. And fractional buy means you buy like half a share or 3.5 shares. That's pretty much it. If you own the share, you can sell it. As you can see by the sell button. There's the middle. Let's go back. So the middle button is a black dollar sign. It basically lets you add funds as well as withdraw funds. And there's a buy and sell in the middle. And that credit card thing, it's just more options for products associated with Wealthsimple. I haven't checked those out yet, but maybe someday. And there's a person icon as the last icon. So anything interesting here? I think so personal information isn't that interesting. It just shows stuff you entered in already. Login and security, you can choose to I think by now everyone has to use the SMS verification when they log in. Before you could get you could get an email sent to you, but I think it's different now. Automations, I think that allows you to do drips, although I heard Wealthsimple does drips differently, although I haven't done drips at all. Rewards just shows the stuff you got for your referrals. Activity shows money in and money out, as well as dividend payouts. So these are, as you can see, these are money movements I deposited and withdrew some money. And here, near the bottom, I got some dividends. I can even filter this out if I wanted to by looking at the top right. There's 3 bars. I just click that. I hit TFSA. I hit dividends. Done. Now it just shows me the dividends I got from my TFSA, or from within my TFSA.